वाहिगुरु स्टूडेंट ऑफ 8th स्टैंडर्ड बच्चे वी आर doing exercise 9.2. Now we are going to discuss about the question number 8. That is, Anamika took a loan of rupees 40,000 from a branch of a bank. This is the principal amount that is given. The rate of interest is 5% per annum is given. We have to find the difference in amounts. That means we have to find the amount that she would be paying after 1.5 years if the interest is compounded annually and compounded half yearly. That means we have to calculate the amounts. Firstly, amount calculated for the annually, then amount calculated for the half yearly, then we have to find the interest between them. See in that question, principal amount is given rupees 40,000 and rate of interest is given, that is 5% per annum, and time is given, that is 1/2 years. This is the time given in that question. See बच्चे, whenever the time doesn't form like complete number of conversion period, see it is given in the improper fraction, we should convert it into, then that is, if we will convert it, that is 3/2. If we will convert into improper, that is given in mix. If it is not given, then we will use the particular formula of the amount, that is बच्चे principal 1 plus rate divide by 100 raised to power a, and 1 plus 1 by b rate divide by 100. Now बच्चे, what is a and what is b? See, this is time given, that number is representing as a and that number is representing as b. So a value is 1 and b value is 2. So we will use this formula for calculating the compound interest annually. Firstly, we will calculate the compound interest when it is calculating the amount when it is compounded annually. When it is compounded annually, see now amount is equals to, using that formula, 40,000 is principal, rate is given 5% divided by 100, a value is given here 1. Similarly, 1 by b, b is 2, so we will write here 1/2, rate is given 5, divide with the 100. Now 40,000, see we can cut here, 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 20, 1 plus 1/20. Here we will write here 5/2 multiply 100, 2 we will write here downside. So 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 20. See, again we will take the LCM of that. This is 40,000, 20 plus 1 divided by 20. Here 5/40, 20 into 2, 40. Now 40,000, here it is 21/20. We can take here LCM, that is 40 plus, sorry, here 1 it is, not 5. 40 plus 1 divided by 40. So 40,000 multiply with 21/20 into 41/40. So 2 zeros cut with the 2 zeros. 4 ones are 1. 4 hundreds are 400. So 2 ones are 1. 2 50s are 100. So 50 multiply with 21 multiply with 41, which is equals to rupees 43,050. This is the amount, value of amount. Then we will firstly we will calculate it when it is compounded annually. Now next we have to calculate the amount when it is compounded half yearly. See, half yearly, two halves are there. So amount is equals to what formula? Principal 1 plus rate divided by 100 raised to power 2n. 2 half. Now rate is given bache in that question, that is 5%. See, rate also divide with the 2. So rate is 5 by 2% we will use. Principal is 40,000. Rate is 5 by 2. Multiply with 100. 2 multiply with n. N amount is, time is 3 by 2 years. So we will write here 3 by 2. See, 2 cut with 2, 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 20. So 40,000, 1 plus 1 divided by 20 into 2, 40. Here 3. Now we will again take the LCM. See, 40,000, here 40 plus 1 divided by 40 raised to power 3. Again 40,000, 41 by 40 raised to power 3. That means we have to multiply now 41 by 40 with the 3 times. 40,000, 41 by 40. We will write here now 3 times because upside it is written here 3. 3 zeros cut with the 3 zeros. 4 ones are 4, 4 tens are 40. Now 41 multiply with 3 times and multiply with the, again we will cut here 2 twos are 4, 2 fives are 10. Next, so our multiplication value is by 4 twos are 8 and amount value is 43,075.62. Now this amount is 43,075.62 and this amount is 43,050. So difference between the amounts, that is 43,075.62 minus 43,050. Difference between them, that is rupees 25.62. This is the answer.